Here are 5 hidden VS Code settings that will boost your coding speed. First, Zen mode. Press Ctrl plus K, then Z for a distraction-free coding screen. Second, bracket pair colorization. It colors brackets differently, making debugging super easy. Third, multi-cursor editing. Hold Alt and click, or use Ctrl plus Alt plus arrows to type in multiple lines at once. Fourth, IntelliSense. Start typing, and VS Code finishes it for you. 5. Live Server. One click, and your web page updates instantly. Try these 5 features today and level up your coding. Like and subscribe for more tips.